Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to use translations on iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to use translations on iPhone. So first, if you don't know what a translation is, so it is a default app which is in every iPhone that helps you to translate any app into any other language. Through this option, you could speak a language and it will translate it for you into your desired language, or if there's any picture on something is written, so you can translate it. So whatever reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to unlock your mobile phone, and after that you have to look for this app icon. This is a translations app, or you could say translation app, available in every iPhone by default. You have to look for it. If you couldn't find it, just simply go to search and search with the name of translations, and this app will appear. After that, just simply click on it and that app will open. So here you could say this is its interface. This is how the translation looks. Here we have two languages at the top. The left language is the language in you will put the language, like it is your input language, and the language on the right, it is your output language. Here I will enter something in English and it will translate into Spanish. You can also change any one of these languages. There is a limited number of languages available. All the languages that exist on earth are not here. There's only limited ones, so you have to select within these languages. You can change any one of these languages and then you will get your results. Once you're done with it, you can just simply type it whatever you want to type. Here in English, I am just typing hi, how are you? And there you will see that it will translate it into Arabic like that. You can also use your mic in which you will speak, and the app will automatically translate whatever you're speaking into the Arabic language. Hi, how are you? What are you doing? Do you understand what I am trying to say to you? So here this is what I said in English and it just translated it into Arabic. So if you want to copy that text, you want to paste anywhere, just simply click on it and it will copy that. And if you want to listen it, you can also listen it. You just have to simply click on that blue option, this one, and it will start speaking what you have written here. So that's how this work. Here we have few more options through which you can also translate. You can also use different kind of things in which you can play translation. You can also make it your favorite one. If you tap on star, you can also use your camera to detect any language and it will detect it for you. So that's how this translation app works on iPhone. This was the easiest way I know through which you can use the translation app on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.